Hi everybody, this is TJ Wolf and I do Linux and hardware and some gaming on my channel. So today I'm taking a look at this distro. Let's take a look at their webpage. And Enso, I think hopefully I pronounced that right. We believe in a greener, simpler computing. And then it shows you a screenshot in a computer. They have their logo right here, and it says environment, a simple operating system for everyone, able to run on any machine. Simple, private, green. Then it shows some screenshots down here and some getting started tips right here. And I believe this is the only guy that develops this OS, because that's the only person on this website. So let's get into this OS. This OS right here, Enso, is has some of elementary configurations, and it uses Gala, which I think elementary uses. I could be wrong though, but it also uses the XFCE panel up here, and I forget what this is called. It has a special feature here. I think you can actually implement this into Ubuntu also. So anyway, you have the plank dock here, and when you log out, it uses the Pantheon logout manager. I can't show you that right here. You got obviously I'm recording, so I'm using OBS. You got your Bluetooth, your internet, your volume controls. It uses the new Pulse audio. You got your battery life right here. If you're using a laptop, you got your calendar right here. And this OS actually goes for a sort of a Mac look. I got pretty much mixed feelings about this OS because I'm just not so sure about this OS. It uses parts of XFCE, Gala, and other things from GNOME 2, and we got down here, it uses, the only thing though, it's kind of neat, this launcher here. I think you can actually download this launcher to get with XFCE or Plank if you're using Plank. You can go and hit the menus here, the tabs here, or you can search for things in here with the scroll mouse. You got your favorites button right here that you could do. It's a nice menu too that they built for this OS. So let's go to accessories. We'll start with, you got about XFCE, application finder, your catfish file search, which is an awesome program to search for files. You got your character map. You got your Grandpa Achieve Manager, which this OS is based on Debian and Ubuntu. I think it's mostly based on Debian. You got your file manager. You got your mate calculator. That's a weird choice. Mate calculator. I wonder why they didn't choose the other calculator. You got your menu editor. You got mouse pad. You got notes. You got your clock right here, which I showed you on the top. If you want to add it to a same panel or a different panel. You got plank, which is down here, you can see, which is to your left. You got run program launchers, so you can set launchers on here because this is using the XFCE panel. You got screenshot, terminal emulator, which is your regular, which is actually using a different terminal. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's Sakura. I don't think I'm saying it right, but I hope I am. A different terminal. I'm not sure if Elementary uses this. I've never really looked at the name before. So you got this terminal right here. Not a big fan of that terminal, so I would probably choose a different one. You got your welcome. Let's take a look at the welcome screen. This is what you get when you first install the OS, and this so welcome to Enso 0.3 Rabbling. Okay, getting started. Edit. You got edit user details here. You can go change system settings, install applications, learn Enso, or join the conversation. Let's hit join conversation. Okay, so they have a lobby here where you can get help and stuff. Okay, takes you to a web page. Pretty neat. I don't know if I like the setup here, but you can see, oh yeah, the developer is in here. Okay, so let's get back. So this is the welcome screen. Not gonna show everything in it, but if you'd like to take a look and download the ISO, go ahead. This ISO is, let's go to back up here. This ISO, I think, still says beta. Yeah, this says beta. So yeah, not sure why it says beta. But anyway, okay, so let's go back to the application menu where we were. We got XF Burn for games. We got Mines and Sudoku for graphics. We got Restorator Image Viewer and Simple Scan. And internet, we got Firefox, Mail Reader, Thunderbird Mail, Transmission for your BitTorrent clients, and web browser, which would choose Firefox. Office, we got Actual Document Viewer, Calendar, Dictionary, the org calendar, and the org global trim. I'm not sure why they have different calendars in here, but okay, preferences, we got accessibility, appearance, I downloaded Compiz and set the Compiz GT decorator. Actually, if you want to know how to set up Compiz, real easy, go to Linux and other stuff's channel. He does a video and explains it. Awesome. So go to his channel if you want to learn set up Compiz. And we'll get into that in a little later. With sound for video, we got music, OBS, Parallel Media Player, Pulse Audio Volume Control, VLC, and XFBurn. System tools, we got your AppHi, which is your software manager to install. I downloaded this. I was playing around with the OS dconf editor. You got your gigolo, or not sure what this is. Let's take a look. Okay, something for like bookmarks, I think. Edit bookmarks. So I guess you can use for bookmarks. You got your logout, your network, and security terminal. Okay, some odd choices in here, not what I would have chosen personally. Okay, and then here you got Plank. This is the launcher here. You got your multitasking view. You got a separator here. I think that's what it is. Your Thunar file manager, Firefox, terminal, app manager, your system settings. OBS is what I'm running. Let's take a look at this AppHive. And you got like the border of a Mac look here. You can see there on the left side here. And this is where you would go to install applications and stuff. I'm not a big fan of this application. Not sure if Elementary uses this or something else. I'm not sure. But I can't remember. I think it's something different. I don't think it's AppHi, but I could be wrong. But yeah, this thing crashed a couple of times. So I downloaded Synaptic Manager so you can use that. So you guys can always use Synaptic Manager with Ubuntu based or Debian based distros. So here we got that, and then we got the system settings. You can see it's like has XFCE stuff in here. The only thing I don't like about this, you can see everything it has for XFCE layout. The only thing is it doesn't have the Windows Manager tweaks, is because it's using different Windows Manager, which is Gala, and that's the only thing I don't like, because you have to set up the placement and stuff for XFCE, and you just have to get into that setting. So I don't know if the dev is listening. Maybe you can work out a tool for that, so you can actually use the compositing setting and stuff without using Compiz, because that's the only reason why I use Compiz. Installed it, so I was messing around to see if the placement worked, and it does. The only thing with that is on here is the right click here does not work, unfortunately. because it's using Gala, I take that, and it's not using the XFCE right click. So let's go to additional drivers, and it's using the Ubuntu additional drivers, which is cool. So you got here, you can see it's using the you can install it nicely through here, so all of that is good. That's the only thing I don't, yeah, everything is all good here. The only thing is that it's missing that one settings that you need. Yes, you can probably do it in the dconf editor, but if you're a new user, I don't think you know exactly what to do. So yeah, that's the only thing about mixed environment and Windows managers is you don't get all the settings that you need. So okay, so we got everything down here for software updater. Your software and updates. Not really gonna say everything on here because it's like regular XFCE system settings. So that's all good. Let's take a look at the desktop wallpapers to see what they have. You can see you get this awesome, I really like this background that it's on right now. So let's take a look at you got this wallpaper. That's pretty cool. I like that wallpaper too. Got that wallpaper. Got this wallpaper. They're pretty nice wallpapers. You got this one. Guess you can see some green in here. You got this wallpaper. This one. This one. It's pretty cool. This one. This one. This one. So this is the wallpaper from when it boots up. So yeah, you got this one. You got your XFCE wallpapers here. Got this one is what it was on. You got this one. This one. And this one. So I'm just going to put it back on to the default one that it was on before. Then you got your dock, like Elementary has. And then you got your display here. So if you want to switch your display settings, your icon size, so you can hit small. You can see how it gets smaller. Normal, which is on, and large. Wow, that's big. Let's put it back on normal. Then you got your dock lid separator, and then Enso. And not mess with that. And then your launcher settings. So you can have a small launcher. I'm not sure what that changed. Normal. Large. Okay, didn't change it that much. So okay, so that's that. Then you can That's the desktop settings. Let's see what else is in here. Got show desktop, workspace view, and then settings here. Gets back to the settings manual. And it also uses the XFCE panel switch from Peppermint. I think they use this too, so yeah, that's cool. And what else we got here? Got your software updater, software and updates like Ubuntu, and shows the menu things, kind of like Unity did, but it's using the XFCE panel. If you go right click here, you can go to panel preferences. It has your appearance. You can make the opacity just like XFCE and change things, add items, so you can add items just like XFCE to the panel, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that's about it for Enso-OS now. So this is Enso, the OS. If you want to get it, you can go to their site, www.enso-os.site, and then download it with the pink button right here, and it'll take you to the SourceForge link to download it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for tuning in with me. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up, or comment, like, subscribe, or PM me on YouTube. Thank you very much, and I will see you for another video. Thanks very much. Bye now.